Let's set up walkthrough using Chaos Vantage. Click on V-Ray Scene Exporter. Make a folder walkthrough. Export animation. And give path. Save and click on export. Close this.